All right, it's morning and ooh, that new car smell. Less than 12 hours of owning the car, we're gonna give it its first wash because that's really dirty and it's nasty. The car is out on the driveway now. I can finally assess the paint. Got this yesterday evening, so there's some adhesive marks from residue from the protective wrap that they put on it during shipping. There's some here too. Of course, under the wing, super dirty. Probably not focusing, but you can't really tell it's really dirty, and I gotta get it washed. I just can't stand it like this. I know it looks clean on camera, but it's really not. Get in the hole, damn it. One thing I recommend doing, especially if you have a new car or brand new tires itself, is to actually clean the rubber. So there's actually a whole bunch of manufacturing grease and chemicals that they use to actually make the tires, and you can just see how much of that brown old stuff from the factory comes out. So if you want to get more use out of your tire dressing, if you are going to put tire dressing on your tires, I highly suggest you actually clean them off first. So I'm just using some cheap tire and rubber cleaner. You can get this at any AutoZone or auto parts store. I also have Adam's tire and rubber cleaner. This works well, but I found the cheaper stuff works a lot better on tires. You can just see all that brown just coming out. Now, check this out. Wait till I brush it off. You can see it. So this way you're not putting your tire dressing on top of all that gunk and crap. So, yeah. Checking out the paint right here and looking at the paint a lot closer, there are a bunch of small water spots that are gonna have to be polished out. You know, you can't just wipe them off. These are hard water spots and it's really hard to capture on camera, but yeah, the whole car is just covered in tiny water spots, but it's just gonna take some elbow grease and a light polish should do. Yo!
Yo.
What up? Look who's back.
I am back.
Say what up to everybody, man.
What up? It's been a while.
What up, bro, man?
How's it
Show
going?
some love, man. See the new car, man?
Yeah, I gotta check this out. What?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Car's got 150 miles on it, and we're already gonna start modding it.
I mean, yeah.
Right?
What
Why
else
not?
would you do?
So as you guys know, Casey just got back from a nice vacation.
Yeah.
Out.
Sure.
Who knows where? Right now, we're just waiting for his car to get done. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for it, but yeah, should be soon, right?
Hopefully, yeah. So it's in the shop. They had a little bit of trouble with the manifold, so we're doing process west manifold now.
Instead of the AMS intake, right?
Yeah, it was super close to that turbo, so it's whatever. I'll just sell the AMS and then process west is still good. So, but it's in the shop. They're working on it, and they said about a week in the shop and a week in the fab shop, so, and then tuning after that, so.
Oh, that's
2
soon.
weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks.
Wow, dude.
Yeah.
Dude.
I mean, yeah, it shouldn't take that long.
In a few weeks, we could be seeing the big turbo STI project done. Bro, come on, man. So right now, Casey's here. He's gonna help me install the carbon fiber hood because it's taking up too much space in the garage. We're gonna take the stock hood, put that in storage somewhere. Cause yeah, it just sucks seeing a nice carbon fiber hood just sitting there in the garage, just collecting dust. So we're gonna put it to use on this brand new 150-mile car. Yeah, I just hope it doesn't blow up.
Yeah. Good luck.
So this is really easy. This has to get transferred over. These little nubs have to get transferred over. I don't know if you can see that. And what else? I think that's it, huh?
You gotta take these bolts off. Like
Yeah,
bolts.
it's just some 412 millimeters. And then that's it. I think it's good. We just set this on the grass over there. Don't want to scratch the Corolla.
I don't care about the Corolla. I'm just gonna tie it down a little bit.
Is it the right size?
Yeah.
I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time. Let's get it nice and snug. Go one ugga. So if you're a long-time subscriber, you're probably going to see some repetitive stuff, but there are some things on this car that I want to change out immediately, such as these bulbs. I want to change them out for LEDs ASAP. I've had these bulbs for a while. These are from Last Fit. I got these from on Amazon for super duper cheap. I'll have a link in the description below, but let's see if they work. Let's see how bright they are. All right, let me get these old bulbs out of here. These just plain suck. They're probably warm. Yes, they are. Let's see the difference. Oh yeah, holy crap. But the Last Fits are so much brighter than the stock bulbs, and it's just a major difference, especially in brightness and in color. Wow. But you guys have seen LEDs before, so. And there you go, all done. Simple, easy install. Kind of makes me wonder, maybe I should do taillights next. What do you guys think? So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the stock one is at the bottom and the modified taillights are at the top. And as you can see, there's the modified reverse lights, and these are also changed. Also, not only that, Flyride also painted the housings black, which is the reason why the top ones look darker than the stock ones. It has a dark cherry look, which is actually what I like. They look stock, but they don't look stock. Just want to clean off the seal really good. You don't want no water leaking in there. It rains like damn near every day here in Seattle. This is not a full tutorial how-to, by the way. So, sorry, I'm just trying to rush through this. Clips. Should be enough room. Now let's see if they work. Hit the hazard button. Yep, they sure do. Check that out, guys. And the other one works just fine. There you go, aftermarket taillights installed.
What it do, what it does, where you been, where you was, what it ain't, what it is. Face in the mud, I really be hating in the mud. Said I can't pick it up, but I did. Y'all know Goon put too much bass in the sub. Cup full of blood and I gave it a chug. Wait till your neighbors get all snug, then play this real loud where you live. This, that, for the kids, saw something strange, can't say what it is. Court case came, ain't say what he did. Make sure it move, put a chain on the gear. Yeah, I've been on top of the tower, got the power, weatherman, gun cock in his back.
So I'm gonna clean everything up, make everything look nice, and put everything back where it's supposed to be. If you guys are interested in these taillights, you guys can hit up Flyride. I'll put his info down below. He's an awesome content creator that makes awesome custom work to headlights and taillights, as you can see here. Also, if you guys are interested in making this yourself, you guys can do it. There's tutorials out there on YouTube on how to do the Modified Technologies inserts, which is the ones you see that are lit up right now, and also the backup modules. So for you longtime subscribers, I know you guys have seen these taillights before. I'm just doing this for the new subscribers. So as soon as we get done with all the old WRX stuff put onto this car, all the stuff that is compatible, we'll get onto some new stuff for you. And on another note, some of you guys are asking, what do I think about the STI in particular? To be honest with you, I do not know. The car only has 200 miles on it, and I haven't taken it past 4,000 RPM, and the car has only seen 7 PSI of boost max so far. So once I get done with the braking miles, I'll go ahead and give you my first impressions, thoughts, and opinions about the STI. And yeah, I have some things to say so far, but I don't want to say just yet. But anyways, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. See you guys next video.
Like they kidnapped your family, bitch. Get out here and work like they kidnapped your family.